Hello everyone, I am Neeraj and I am excited to guide you through this journey of understanding narcissism. So let's dive right in. Narcissism is a personality trait that characterized by grandiose sense of self-importance, a constant need for admiration and lack of empathy for others. It's named after the Greek myth of Narcissus, who fell in love with his own reflection in a pool of water. People with narcissistic trait often believe they are superior to other peoples and expect special treatment from other peoples. They may exploit others to achieve their own goals and have difficulty maintaining healthy relationships. A narcissistic is someone who exhibits narcissistic trait to an extreme degree, often to the determinants of themselves and those around them. Traits are include number one is manipulative behavior, lack of accountability, and constant need for validation. Imagine a coworker who constantly take credits for your ideas and manipulate situations to make themselves look good. This is in a classic example of narcissistic manipulative behavior. Now think of a friend who never take responsibility of their actions and always blame other people for their mistakes. This avoidance of accountability is another trait commonly seen in narcissistic personality. And lastly, consider someone who constantly seeks praise and attention, fishing for compliments and validation at every opportunity. This insatiable needs for admiration is the hallmark trait of narcissism. And the impact of narcissism can be far-reaching, affecting not only the narcissistic themselves, but those people who are surrounding them. Relationship may suffer as narcissists struggle to empathize and others and prioritize their own needs above all else. It's important to recognize the sign of narcissism and take steps to protect yourself from its negative effect. If you found yourself dealing with a narcissistic, remember that you are not alone. There are strategies you can employ to navigate these challenging relationships. Set boundaries. Number one, prioritize self-care and seek support from friends, family, and even professionals to mitigate the impact of narcissistic behavior in your life. Thank you for joining me today as we explored narcissism. And remember, understanding about narcissism is the first step toward protecting yourself and fostering healthier relationships. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, take care. Thank you.